Welcome, welcome everybody. I'm so happy to have you join me today. I have here a journal share of the latest one I've created, and this is a Christmas journal, obviously. And it has a hard cover, but it has a softer spine to it. And by combining these two things together, it helps the journal to lay pretty flat. I have here, of course, this lovely Santa um, piece of ephemera on the cover, and this is bookboard that has been covered with um, scrapbooking paper. Here is a tie that closes it together, and this is a chunky monkey. It's pretty packed full, and as you journal in it, it probably will get even fuller, but that's okay. We'll just open it up here and get started on the inside. It is 5.5 by 8.5 inches in size, and there are over 100 pages, counting both sides in the book. And we'll just get started here. And so I have put stenciling a little bit on some of the plain papers there. This is an Edith Holden book with a little holly and a little angel that you can journal on or put somewhere inside. Here is a frame. You can replace this postcard, this cute little postcard, with your own picture if you would like. And that slips inside just like so. There are cloth tabs throughout in the journal. Here's a vintage music sheet, a sleigh ride, and another postcard with a little sleigh. So these are digital. They're not authentic. And some paper, printed paper there from a package. A little pocket there with another Edith Holden, little bit of holly berries there, or some kind of a berry. And you can put other things inside that pocket if you would like. Here are some recipe cards with this cute little girl who's got a little spatula in her hand. So there's 4 cards in here for you to save any kind of recipes you want to save. And they fit inside this bag, and a couple little pieces for some more journaling tucked inside there. These little heart look like cookies of some sort. Vintage recipe page, another postcard, digital postcard with a cute Santa on it, some avocado dyed paper, some tissue paper with these pretty stars on it. Here is from a vintage needle book. I have put on some coffee stained paper, a little bit of trim so you can write on it there. Here is an envelope, and I've not sealed the envelope. Oh, yes, I did not. So that you can journal on the inside, or you can seal it up and use it, however you would like to use that. Some more stenciling on tea stained paper. Another, this is from actually a cookbook that is illustrated by Edith Holden Images. And here's the center of this signature with a little owl charm. Now these charms, if any of these charms you do not like, you can cut this off and it'll be fine. This is knotted and it won't affect the signature, and you can use them somewhere else if you would like. Love these two little girls, these little boy and girl, so cute. And here's a pocket, and in this pocket I have some of these little digital tags with some little Christmas type of verbiage on it, and they just fit inside this little floating pocket there. And cute little bird, a little bit of graph paper, and here is a glassine envelope. Folds out with, I just love this, it's so pretty, very Ukrainian actually, probably Polish or Ukrainian looking, and part of that, and this is actually the Madonna and Child, if you kind of like look at at a certain angle there. More stenciling. Here is a what winter journal without a cardinal would it be? And this flips out, and we have a card, a photo card or a journaling card, a little bit tucked inside there like so. And another little card, little Santa. And here is another pocket with a large journaling card right inside like so. And some more in this pocket. Love these scenes. These are can't remember where I got these actually, these digitals, but they're really lovely. And here is the last of the digital postcards. Now I do have these postcards I have in here are free in my coffee shop. I'll link down below so that you can take advantage of those digitals if you have not done so. And there's one more little postcard. Places for writing. I'll link down below where I got these. I think it's Creative Giraffe or something of that nature. Another large journaling card. Now, inside these two signatures is what I call, what kind of makes this a hybrid journal, in that here is a place that if you want to put photographs at, you can. The front of it has two pockets here on each side. A little bit of a label with some vintage lace. And then here on the inside is a couple pockets for photographs here, as well as on the opposite side. And these flip up so that you can either write or put photos in there. There's a pocket here on the side. So you just slip something inside there as well. So these flip up like this. They each have a pocket. So yeah, you can use this as you would like, and that just folds in and sits there in the middle of the two signatures. Another mat that you could use for a photo mat if you would like. Then we start on the second signature with a handsome Santa there, and another Edith Holden page, another large card, some Christmas wrapping paper, and here is a envelope with a journaling card on the inside that sits right up inside like that. Some more avocado dyed paper, more recipe book, another floating pocket, cute little sweet girl, or it could be a boy, I guess. And here are a couple more cards for you to enjoy. Some tracing paper that's been printed on a bag with a little card in there, and a place for you to store some ephemera. Another page of a needle book, vintage needle book. A couple of more of those tags with some more Christmas words on them. Some vintage, excuse me, music paper. And oh, sorry, there is a Christmas jingle bell in the middle of this photo area there, and in this signature is an angel that's been stamped out of a penny. Really cute. Here's some angels on some cheesecloth, and it kind of flips up like so. And music sheet of Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Another really pretty card for journaling. Oh, come all you faithful. And here is another place to do some writing. Got this from a Tim Holtz piece of fabric. A little card, a little bird, so cute. And a little journaling card tucked inside this side of the bag. Another large tag. A cute little female cardinal. Here's another digital postcard. A little bit of cloth there. Another envelope that flips out. And you can use this as a photo mount if you would like. Here's the Edith Holden page. I put some paper down here for you to write on. And then we come to the end of the journal. So this is the flip through, and this will be available in my Etsy shop. And hopefully you enjoyed that. Maybe got some ideas for inspiration on your own And yeah, so we will see you real soon. Of course, next time we get together, I'll be working on a new journal and a new project. So you have a great and crafty day. Bye.